Hi, I'm Phil Bainbridge, and in this demo video, I'm just going to show you how to replace text in a Google Sheet with an image. I just want to highlight that this is only one way of achieving this kind of task, and it's quite a very simple way in doing so, but it should at least get you started with being able to have a play around. Here's some sample Google Sheet data that I've got randomly. What I'm going to do is I've decided I'm going to change any instances of name6 to that of a Google logo. So what I'll do is I'll just copy and paste name6 a few times just so we've got it. So I'm going to target and change all of those in one go to an image of my choosing. If I go to extensions then and app script to be able to see the code in the background, there's a couple of things to fill out up here at the top. The first bit is the search text. This is the bit of text inevitably that you have in your Google Sheet that you want to replace with an image. So I said in this instance, I'm going to just use the string name6. Next, we need to insert the URL of a publicly available image that we want to put in here. All I'm going to use for this example is the Google logo available on Wikipedia. So I'm going to right click, copy image address, and make sure I paste that in between the quotes like so. The next two just gives me the ability to alter the row height using a value that's in pixels. So I can change the row height and the column width. I'm going to leave those at 100 to start with. I'm just going to hit save for the new information that I've added in there. If we scroll down, my sheet name in this instance is called data. So that looks like this here. If you apply this to something you've got, just make sure your sheet name is reflected in the AppScript code here. We've got our bit of a process to build our image using the AppScript. And then down here, between these two brackets, we have our loop. This is going through text by text to replace all instances of our search text with an image. As an FYI, we've got a couple of optional items here to change the size of the cell, which is the row and column widths and heights. And then we can also center the image. If you don't want these optional bits, if you just pop your cursor at the beginning and enter 2 forward slashes so that they gray themselves out and hit save, it just means that bit of code will be skipped over. So that it won't try to change the size of anything in the spreadsheet automatically. In this example, I do want those available, so I'm going to leave them uncommented so that we can see them. That's basically it. So to run this, we just use the run button. I'm going to click run, and then I'm going to very quickly jump back to the Google Sheet because this is going to happen really, really fast. So if I click run, go to the Google Sheet, what we'll see now is all instances of name6 have been updated as quick as that. We can see the row height has been adjusted as we needed as well. And that's it. It's as simple as that. We've been able to replace that. We can go and change the search string. We can go and change the image now if we want to. But it's quite quick, easy, and effective. But it is just one way of achieving this. Thank you very much.